Yeah, greetings. Thought I asked you girls to hold on until I send for you.
Yes, actually you did. But we wanted to see you. It's very, very important.
It's okay. Sit.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So about yes, what is it?
Yes. Oh no. We came to ask you if we can handle the autopsy ourselves. Yes, I mean we have the money to, get any doctor of our choice. Not all these quack doctors everywhere. So please, can we?
It's okay, never mind. The autopsy will be safe in my hands. I will properly take care of that.
But oh no, you know we still have the right to know who is in charge of performing that test.
Yes.
Because if you can remember, the man in question is our brother, and we are the only family he has. Eh?
Yes, I am fully aware you are the only family. And I also want to tell you that the elders of this kingdom are his family members too. So we've concluded that we will take care of this autopsy ourselves. By the way, we were told that you will resist.
No, who told you so?
Never mind. You have to go home. Don't bother yourselves. When the test result comes out, we will get back to you. Okay? Any other thing?
Is everything all right?
Yes. Yeah, I'm fine. Everything is alright. You don't look fine. No, I'm okay. I'm very okay. I'm fine.
Collins, your time is near.
Please, I need a little more time. I'm about to get justice. The people responsible for my death will soon be brought to book. I need a little more time. Please, I promise I'll go with you to the afterlife. Just grant me a little more time.
The Creator grants your appeal.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Did you take my money from my bag? I kept money inside that bag. I kept it for food today. Did you take it?
Bia, this girl, why are you shouting at my ear? Eh? Why are you shouting? See, do not add to my anger. Oh. Do not add to my anger. You see here now, I'm thinking about my life. Do not come and complicate my issues.
Amara, please. Answer me that question. Did you or did you not take my money?
If I take the money, what will happen? Yes, I was the one that collected it and I've used everything. I don't have anything on me again. If you need money, go outside and work for it.
Amara! You don't have a penny and you took my money. Money I kept for feeding Amara. Okay, tell me now. Onyoshi, what are we supposed to do now? How are we supposed to cope today?
This girl, you are stupid though. You are very, very stupid for talking to me like that. Are you mad? See, I am not the cause of your misfortune. No. I am not at all. If you know what is doing you, better go outside and cure your madness. What is wrong with you? Am I the one you are talking to?
You are the cause of my misfortune. You are.
Waka.
Because if it's not that your stupid plan that got our brother killed, we will not be in this mess right now. You killed our brother.
So you want to put the blame on me, eh? Is it not both of us that planned it?
Me.
Both of us planned it. It was both of us.
It was you.
Put the blame on me. You did it.
You did it.
Both of us did it. See, if you talk to me again, eh, I will break your head.
Why?
You can't respect yourself in this house.
Try it.
Respect yourself.
You are the worst elder star ever.
And you are the worst bullshit ever.
Hey!
Nonsense. Come and get that here, stupid girl. Idiot. Want to blame me for your misfortune? Rubbish.
Is that something you want to demand for?
Yes, my king.
Spit it out.
I want to seek for a permission to leave the palace for a while.
Where do you want to go?
I just want to go and see my mother.
Your mother? What for?
Nothing much. I just miss her.
Permission denied. Sit your ass there. Sit your ass there. Now! Yeah, sit there and enjoy the luxury of the palace. I don't want to hear that from you once again. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my king.
Good. I don't want to hear that again. And why are you coughing?
Chica! 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 Chica!
Hey, stop that nonsense. Why you dey shock my leg like that? You dey mad? You don't go select your brand for my shop.
When will you attend to me?
Have you selected your Casket brand?
I will, but when will you attend to me?
Now me they raise your voice for. Wait oh, you don't fear you they talk to me with so much authority. Eh? I go wipe you with this place. You dey mad? See, on a normal, not be me supposed to solve your problem. I just want one because I love you. So give me some respect. Not be me kill you. Make I clear you. Your royalty end as you die. You not get levels again. You dey get pride.
I'm so sorry. Just that I don't have the time in the world.
I don't understand. You not meet queue for here before you come here. Okay, you won't jump queue. Even as you die, you still won't play wayo. You won't do for 1 eye. Madam, it never reach your turn. Allow me to attend to people first before I go attend to you. This girl, you go get pride though. You dey do like this. Even as you die, you don't even know whether na heaven or hellfire you dey go. Make I tell you, na purgatory na you go end.
Chica. Chica, attend to me right now!
I talk am. You dey get pride. But you come out for this place now. Come out for here. Come for here. Come on for this place. Samuel, ghost number 15, come. Hello, Mama.
You never call me, or you never call me.
Hey, shut up for that place. I cannot hear anybody make noise for that place, so now they vex me.
Oh no, I'm worried. Are you sure the doctor is going to come?
Sure. He told me in confidence that he will come. So let's wait for him.
Okay. Because me, I don't understand. He's been wasting time.
He will come. Let's wait for him. By the way, Iche. Excuse me. Oh, he's even the one coming.
He's the one?
The doctor.
Okay.
Speak out. Yeah, hello, Doc.
Good afternoon, Nollywood.
Doctor, good afternoon. How are you doing? We have been waiting, you know.
I'm so sorry, but I will not be able to make it anymore. Something urgent just came up at the hospital, so I won't be able to make it. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. There's no problem. But what about the result in question? We've been waiting. The elders are waiting. So.
Okay. I'm sorry. Just the result is ready, like I said, and it was discovered that a very large amount of depressant drug, specifically a high amount of benzodiazepine, was found in his system, which resulted to his death.
The drug. It's okay. Doc, please. But why? Why should he take such drug? Is he sick or something? I want to know why such drug should be found in his system.
Okay. Depressant drug drugs are mainly meant for those with insomnia, that people finding it difficult to sleep.
Wait, doctor. You mean that the drug found in our son is a sleeping medicine?
Exactly.
Wait. So finally, Chika is right after all. It's okay, doctor. Thank you so much for the information. We'll get back to you.
I need to rush up now. Thank you.
It's okay, doctor.
Thank you. No.
Finally, Chika is right. Oh. So these girls actually killed their brother.
Wait. So, these girls killed their brother just because of money? No. They must be dealt with.
See, we have to assemble every elder in this kingdom. They will know how to treat the situation.
Yes.
With immediate effect.
Yes, they should call the youths so that we know how to treat it. This is bad.
I said, who is there?
Anopia? Yeah. Come out here.
Oh no, my elders.
Come out.
Where's your sister? Get her from me.
Go and bring her.
Go.
What is this? Ogini. Taban.
Guys, keep your greetings to yourself. I'm so disappointed at the both of you. Yes. We are ashamed of you both. Huh?
Very, very ashamed.
So all the allegations labeled against you by Chika is true. So finally you killed your brother. The test results came out and it was found out that your brother died as a result of intake of excess sleeping pills, which was masterminded by the both of you. The consequences for the offense you committed is you will be dragged out to the village square, beaten and stoned to death. Come on, move.
Right now!
You are taking nothing from here. My dear, we have actually found out the cause of the death of our beloved son, Collins. You were correct after all. As we speak, the culprits are facing the consequences according to the custom and tradition of our land.
Yes.
We decided to seize this opportunity to apologize for thinking that you are insane. And also to appreciate you for at least letting us know this. Thank you so much, my dear.
I've heard you. But he's a debtor. He is owing me money and my money must be paid in full.
Yeah. Chika, what debt are you talking about?
Collins and I had a deal. I helped him solve the case. He promised to buy my most expensive casket, use my pallbearers, and use my limousine for his burial.
Chereo, can't you call? When did you both made this deal?
Before I took the job. He's standing right here. He can confirm it.
Who are you talking about?
Collins.
What? Anyway, we've heard what you said. Honestly, as to speak, we do not have such amount of money. And the person in question is dead. So what are you talking about? We cannot do anything about this.
My ATM card is still functional. My sisters cannot access it because they do not know the PIN. It's at home under my bed. You go and get it. The PIN is 8883. You can take it to the ATM and collect 5 million. When you do that, I'm sure that will help cover everything.
Wait, no, they whine me. You mean say you get 5 million naira for your account? It don't be now. Let me say, I go increase the casket, the money what they sell my casket.
Chika, you okay?
Chika, who are you talking to?
Wait, they do business. So you get that kind of money, Collins?
It's okay. No. I'm sure that will help.
You know, it don't help me already. But yeah, make we go collect the card.
Which card?
He say he card there somewhere. I go give na the pin. Make we go.
We are
Let's go. Not confused. Make we go.
What's going on?
Not confused. Come.
Sometimes
What we have in mind may not come the same way. May not be about what you've got, but about this.
That pin where you give me now, you sure it's not the correct pin? Abi you just talk am because they dey here. No why me.
It's the correct pin.
You sure?
Yes.
If I find that it not be the correct pin, I go put upaka for your casket. You go reincarnate for another place. You no go come earth again.
It is correct.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
If you were made a king, if you've got the power, oh yeah, after rain comes shine, oh yeah, if we had the murmuring, oh yeah, after rain comes shine, oh yeah.
Here, doing this, whatever he wants to do with you, this concoction will knock it off. Drink it.
Oh, Mama. What was he trying to do? I don't know. He wanted to make love to me. Then he started screaming my name 3 times. Mama, ever since that day, I feel he implanted something in my body. Yes, I've been feeling a strange movement right inside my body, Mama.
I have no idea. You have to be very careful. I have never had a queen was imprisoned in her own palace.
I have no idea. I'm really scared. I don't feel safe anymore.
Calm down. Nothing will happen to you. I promise. Just calm down.
Mama, you're not there with me. You're not there. I managed to sneak out this night, Mama. You're not there. I don't feel safe.
I will visit the palace. I'll be there.
Okay, Mama, I'll be waiting.
Okay. Take care, eh?
Okay, let me be going.
You had the guts to leave this palace last night, even after instructing you never to leave.
I'm sorry, my king. I went to see my mother. She's very sick.
You're a liar. You're a bloody liar. Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you to keep an eye on her. Make sure she never leaves this palace again. If she does, I am going to behead you and feast the beast in the forest. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
My king, what is going on? You never told me I was a prisoner here. Why are you doing this?
Hey. If I hear one more word from you, I am going to hit you with this tusk. Shut up. Inside! Now! And you, make sure she never leaves this palace. Else, you know the consequences, right? Out! I cannot give orders and you flaunt it. Who are you?
Are you ready?
Yes. But I thought my sisters would be here with me.
Oh no, they have taken a different path. More darker and dreaded roads. They have no life in afternoon life. Their souls will be eaten up slowly by the darkness of this world. They brought this upon themselves. Let's leave. We cannot keep the Creator waiting.
My beautiful friend, congratulations. Oh, congrats. Happy married life.
Congratulations. So, what's going on? Congratulations, you came to my compound with a casket on my traditional marriage. Chika!
I bring special gift for you now. You know like
God forbid. You did not see any tangible gifts to give me, Chika, your friend. It's a casket. Please leave this compound before my husband and his people get here.
Well, I don't understand. This gift now they say no they tangible. You know how much they sell them? Make I tell you something, you need this casket. If you die, where they go put you? Not be coffin they go put you.
Chika, I'm not going to die. God forbid you will die before me.
He said God forbid. You won't live forever. Your mama and papa live forever. Your ancestors, they live forever. Eh?
Please, Chika, start going. Leave. In fact, you're no more needed. You are no more invited to this traditional marriage. Just go. Go.
If you don't want this my casket, then be say you don't want me.
Yes.
I know they go anywhere. If you want make I go, make your husband and the people not come see me, you go give me 1.5 million naira, then I go.
Chika, I'm not paying any dime. Say.
You say wait.
I will not give
you. You know the stress when I suffer to carry this casket come. Oh, everybody waiting for you. You think they will they play? Give me the money, make I go.
I'm not giving you shishi.
You say waiting.
I said I'm not going to pay you. Pay you for what?
Wait, come here. You go give me the money. Come here.
I'm not going to give you any money. I said I'm not going to give you any money.
Now give me the money. Now give me the money.
Okay, no go hold on. Come on.
Chika, you should know where and when to take your gifts to. Huh? It is not necessary in such occasions like this.
Oh no, we make with they see truth they talk. What is bad in having a deathbed for free? After all, one day they go still carry plenty money, go buy caskets. So how is having a deathbed as a gift a bad idea?
You should understand that man fears what they do not know. Death is something everyone prays to avoid.
How many people have successfully avoided death? Why are they scared when one day it will surely visit them? What's the essence of kicking it away when it will come?
It's okay, my dear. Listen. I quite understand you. But you are going about it the wrong way. Come on. The only thing you succeed in doing is scaring people away from you. Just imagine your business. Look at the way people are seeing the whole thing. I urge you to take my advice and see how people will approach your business. Come on.
See, your father was really a very good businessman. It is not just about the business, it is about knowing the craft in it. I will leave you to think about this thoroughly.
There's nothing to think. I know the craft. All I know is one day everybody go die and they go still use caskets. Not be bad idea say I go give them out as gift. Not be bad idea. No gonna leave me. Now gift I gift person, I no keep person. If to say they sell limousine, I carry limousine, give the person a gift. You no go collect them. So why you no go collect the caskets? Not be the same thing. Gift na gift. Okay, enough you.
Chika.
I beg. You gonna leave me.
No. Let's go.
Madam, they say our
make them they go.
They say our good as bad.
Lay down.
Okay.
I want to make love to you.
Come on, Mikey.
Nkem.
My king, what is it? What are you doing? I thought you were supposed to come to bed and make love to me. What is it?
Hey, how dare you question me? How dare you tell me what to do before I come to make love with my wife? Lie down!
My king!
Let me in. Show you the stuff I'm made of. Show you the stuff I am made of and you will report everything. Get out! Get
For one to show love for his people, breaking barriers others couldn't break. No one can tell how far this can go. You may be the one to gain from me. Some spirits are strong, you can't stop the mind. When you're zero, Loma, Ebuchina, over there you go. If I am at
Are they back?
No, my king.
What do you mean they're not back? Where could they be?
They are yet to return from the task.
They are yet to return from the task. Are you mad? Are you all crazy in this palace? A simple task of tearing the casket shop, and you're telling me they are not back? Huh? This is 5 hours. 5 hours now, and they're nowhere to be found. Where could they be?
I have no idea, my king.
Now go and find them. Find them! Hey, come here, come here. Start from the casket shop. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Run!
how far this can go. You may be the one to gain from me.
What sort of morons are these ones?
You can't stop the mind when you're zero, Loma.
I have made my choice.
Yeah, my madam, I don't settle.
Not really. But I've told her what I want. As I'm speaking with you now, she's currently on her way to the palace to handle the case.
Okay. How you want to do payment?
She will let you know.
Meet me at the casket shop.
Hey, stop there. What are you looking for?
I want to see the king.
You have an appointment with him?
I go need ticket to see my king again.
Do you have or not?
I no get appointment with the king. But what I want to tell him they very important. If I not tell him that, this village will catch fire.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Okay, the thing no concern you now for the king personal ear.
Come with me.
You don't reach here already.
Hey, are you not the idiot that came here with the caskets on my wedding day and my birthday ceremony?
I not be the idiot.
I know your face, and I can't be wrong about it. My eyes cannot deceive me. Are you not the daughter of late Orji?
You're right. My name is Chika, the daughter of the late Orji, the CEO of Orji Casket. But I am not the idiot you were referring to.
I see. You're trying to play mind games with me. You're only a child. I thought I clearly instructed you not to set your feet in this palace again.
Yes, you did.
So what are you doing here?
Your wife, Queen Lizzie, brought me here.
My wife? Are you sure you're not taking drugs?
I don't do drugs, sir. As we speak, she's standing next to me.
See, I can see you do not have anything to say here. Now leave my palace.
What do you find? Why you they kill people up and down? Why are you killing your wives? Why are you on killing spree? Which power you they look for? You are killing your wives to drain power from them, right? You killed the first one. You killed the second wife. You killed the third wife. Only God knows what you're going to do to the next one.
Enough! 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 Have you gone nuts? If you open that mouth again, I am going to behead you.
Okay, you know fit. Change your ways! Repent! Why you dey keep... You are a murderer! Killer na you be. Anum Papa. Stupid king.
Guards!
Yes, my king.
Hold her. Take her to the dungeon and give her 17 lashes.
For wetin na? See, if anything happen to me, I go come for you with full speed. You go see am.
My king, you summoned for me.
Yes, I did. I want that casket seller to be seriously tamed and ostracized from this kingdom.
Chika. Your Highness, what offense did she commit that would deserve such a decree?
Oh yes. She runs her mouth uncontrollably. I don't like that. I cannot sit here and condone such madness. No, I will not do that. I want you to tell the youth to do the needful.
My king, I understand Chika and her nonchalant attitude, especially the way she was. But my king, I'm sorry. What she committed, the gravity of the offense she committed does not measure with. I'm sorry, my king. Because I don't know how to go about it.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me what to do? Oh no. I hope you're not here to defend her. And who says she has not committed a grave crime against this kingdom? False allegation on the royal throne is a serious offense, and I will not condone it. Go out there and tell the youth to destroy her shop. Not just that, let them escort her out of this kingdom immediately.
I've heard you. I'll do just that.
I have spoken.
Che, there is a problem, as in a very big problem.
A problem? What is it, Ono?
I'm just coming from the king's palace. Do you realize that the king has ostracized Chika? As if that is not enough. He ordered me to go to her business center and shut the place down.
But why would he do that?
I don't know. The only thing he said was that the girl spoke blasphemous words against the throne.
Chelo. Wait. Let me get this straight. Did you say he imprisoned her?
See, let me quote him. I have put her in the dungeon. That was exactly his words.
Oh no.
I'm telling you.
Oh no, it can't be possible. Because I just saw Chika with my very own eyes going to her shop. And she's hale and hearty. There's nothing wrong with her. Huh?
You can't be serious. Are you sure what you're talking
Oh
about?
no. I know Chika even with my eyes closed. Okay, if you want to doubt me, let us go to her shop. Kaigawa. Let us go there and I will show you.
Chika. Chika, I learned the king imprisoned you. So how come you're here?
Me. 100 King Richard no fit hold me captive. I never even start yet.
Chelo, Chika. I don't understand what I'm hearing. What is going on between you and the king? I heard he want to ostracize you.
Me? How?
Chika, wait, please. This is not a joking matter. Honestly, Adibin is not what you stand for. And what I have seen with my eyes you do. Frankly speaking, I would have taken actions, which is an order. So tell me, what is happening?
Your king does not deserve the crown he is wearing. He has soaked his hands with blood. Blood of the innocent. His queens are his ritual sacrifices. He must be stopped.
Chelo, Chika, let me understand. Are you telling me in other words that the missing queens is a result of the king using them for rituals?
His third wife, Queen Lizzie, came to meet me for help, and I'm willing to help her.
Hey!
Wait. Iche, see, I'm beginning to see a clear picture of what she's saying. Have you ever bothered to ask why we've not been seeing these queens?
No.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, we will see.
Somebody help my mother! Please, please! Ah! Please, I'm begging you. Please, don't hurt me. I didn't offend you. My mother! Ah! My mother! Please, I'm begging you. Please, please. My mother! My mother!
You sent for me? Yes, my mother. My mother, I should have listened to you. I messed up. I really messed up big time. See, I thought you were just jealous of me. I didn't know you were preventing me from all this. I'm sorry.
Calm down, take it easy, calm down. Okay, calm down. You are in shock. What happened?
King, it doesn't mean well for me. And I know you are aware of it. I know. Mother, please, I want to beg you. Just tell me the truth. Tell me what happened to the previous queens, please. Just tell me.
I don't have any idea. So I can't say.
Not even the most recently married Queen Lizzie.
I don't know. Because my son did not tell me anything about her. I don't even know her whereabouts.
I think I saw her. Yes. I saw her in my chambers. I saw her there.
What? How?
She was sitting on my bed. The next minute, I don't know, I think she disappeared. Please, I don't want to die. Just help me, please. I'm begging you, I don't want to die. Help me, please.
Calm down. Take it easy. Calm down. Just relax, okay? You are not going to die. Alright?
Okay.
No one is dying.
Okay,
but I promise you, we will get to the root of this matter. Just relax, okay?
Okay, but at least for now, can I stay with you in your room? Please, I don't feel safe with the king. Just help me, because...
Please. No, you can't. You can't. Because your husband will get angry.
Hi. That means I have to leave this palace, so... No, I have to leave. I have to go and stay with my mother. I can't stay here. Look at me,
God! The girl I told you guys to imprison the last time, where is she?
She's in the cage.
Are you mad? I am just coming from the prison yard and I found no one. Did you morons let her out of your sight?
No, my king. We locked her up thoroughly.
You locked her up thoroughly?
Yes, my king.
Alright. Go and find her and bring her. I want to see her. Go. And where do you think you're going to?
I'm going home. I'm going to my mother.
You are going home. Is this place not a home?
I'm tired. I'm done. I'm tired. I don't want this anymore. I'm tired.
Did I hear you say you're tired? You're done. Done? You Kim? Now let me tell you. Listen and listen to me for good. No one dares to break royal union except death. Yes, except death. But since you've proven stubborn, I am going to tell you and show you what stubbornness begets. Now, sit and listen. Henceforth, you cease to be my wife, but my prisoner.
Please.
Hand your phone over to me.
Igwe, please, I'm begging you, please. Just let me go, I'm begging you, please.
Hand your phone over to me! Now!
Igwe, please, I'm begging you. Just let me go, please.
I don't want to leave it. Go, bring it. Bring it! Let me see how you're going to continue all these your silly sins in this palace. It stops now. You are my prisoner, and that is what you will remain. Okay.
Somebody help! Somebody should help me!
You're my prisoner!
Please help me! Somebody help! Somebody help me! Grandmother, please, I'm in danger! Help me!
Shut up!
Help me! Help me!
Shut up!
Please help me, grandmother!
The girl I told you I want to ostracize from this kingdom just escaped the palace yesterday. But no, did you assemble the youths like I instructed to go to Orji's casket and destroy everything in there?
I would have done that long ago, but after hearing a story from another angel, I decided to change my mind.
A story? Whose story did you hear? From which angle?
From Chika.
Same Chika. Chika, who happens to be the enemy to my throne.
Huh. Your Highness. Your Highness, we the elders of this kingdom have come in unison to ask you one simple question, and we need a sincere answer from this throne.
Yes. And what silly questions do you seek for?
Your Highness, we demand to know the whereabouts of your queens, we mean your wives, yes, ranging from Queen Ola down to Queen Lizzie. Why have we not been seeing them in this palace, and where have they been?
Oh, I see. I see where all this is coming from. So she fed you all with lies, and you decided to come and ask me such a silly questions. Huh?
This is a matter that will be resolved with wisdom. All we are asking is the whereabouts of our queens. Even the present Queen Kim, no one, I mean, we don't know her whereabouts ever since she got married to you.
It's your papa, you're a fool. In fact, you're a bigger fool. You stay there to ask me silly questions? Stupid and dumb questions. Don't worry. I will deal with her. After doing that, I am going to deal with the both of you. But before then, I will ask my guards to go to Orji's casket vault and destroy everything they see there. And if anyone dares to stop them, I will ask them to kill that person without an iota of conscience. Have I made myself clear? Guards!
Richard! Richard, why?
Lizzie, I know that it's your voice. Show yourself, you coward.
You are the coward. You stole my life to gain your powers.
Hey. I did what I did because I want to protect my kingdom.
The only thing that needs to be protected is this kingdom at large. It needs to be protected from you.
You sold my secrets to a casket seller. You should have trusted her to continue this task. You coming to confront me face to face was your biggest mistake. I am coming for your Undertaker. Yes! I am coming!
Chida, there's a big problem.
What's happened? Person die, make I say casket.
Nobody's dead yet. But as we speak now, if you fail to do something, our boy might die. And I know very well that you don't have the size of his casket in your shop.
Wait. What's happened to our boy?
As I was coming, I saw Igwe and his guards forcing our boy into his car's boots. And they drove him away. If you fail to do something now, they might kill him.
Our boy?
Yes.
Igwe, they mad. Show me. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Chika, can't there be peace in this kingdom at least for once?
There will never be peace, oh no. Tell your king to release my boy. And he has to confess all his atrocities before stepping down from that throne. Else, he will have me to contend with.
Wait. The king arrested a boy?
Yes! My boy is in his custody. I'm giving him 24 hours to release my boy, else he got beef for him. I know they play, I know well, oh. Not a wine.
It's okay, Chika. See, your demand is very high. You know our king is very powerful. You know whom he is. He's not just the type of king you toy with. Eh? Honestly, your demand is impossible. Moreover, if he steps down, we don't have any heir to that throne. You know it. So it's impossible.
It's impossible. Your king is powerful, Abi. Okay. Make him not release my boy in the next 24 hours. What I go do am? When I go hear this calls for this village, you go see him. Okay.
Hello? Nkem? One. Hey, I've been trying to reach you. Your number has not been going. What happened, Nkem? Are you okay? Are you well? What is the problem? Okay, I've heard you. Just take it easy. I'm coming, I promise. I will come to the palace today to get you. Do you hear me? Hey!
Some spirits are strong. You can't stop the mind. When you're zero, no man.
I am waiting for your madam to show up. I will end the both of you today. Right? I'm going to use you and Chika as a scapegoat in this kingdom. I'll put in your places so that the people in this community will learn how to fear their king. Yes. They will learn. They will learn. Nonsense. I'm waiting.
Richard, what is happening here? And why is he here in this manner?
Mother, please. I want you to return to your chambers. Alright? What I do here is none of your business. Go back to your chambers, please. Are you still here? Return to your chambers, please. I have an unfinished business with these idiots. Go back. As for you, I will so deal with you, Chica.
You were at my son's birthday party's marriage ceremony with the casket wedding.
Yes, ma'am.
Who are your parents?
I have none, my queen.
What do you mean you have none?
I was raised by late Chief Oji. I grew up with him, and I also worked with him at his business, selling the casket.
Take him away.
For one to show love for his people, breaking barriers others couldn't break. No one can tell how far this can go.
What have I done to myself? The prince has finally found his way back to the palace. God help me, oh. God. Come on. Mine is now staring at me, at my face.
You! He has been waiting for you.
I want to see the king. Where are boy?
The king will see you soon.
Na king no fear. Get mind carry my boy. If I enter this place, what I go do am? He go collect woto. Na go see am.
I said, stop here.
What did happen? I go see the king. They not mad.
Release that boy and let him go. He shouldn't have been here in the first place.
Why are you so keen on this boy's case? Why are you so particular about me with this thing? Any ally with Chica should be severely punished.
I made a grave mistake. I know how hard I fought to make sure you are on that throne. You don't know the sacrifice I made just for you to become the king. Believing that you are the best candidate for the throne. Now you are disappointing me. You are letting me down. You don't listen to me. I regret ever backing you up till this moment.
What about sacrifices against God? I have always remained the heir to this throne, the throne of my father. I'm a born ruler. With or without your sacrifices, I will still become the king. So what are you talking about? So mother, if you don't have anything to say, just discontinue this conversation. I don't know. Did you hear that noise?
Release a boy to me now.
Or what will happen? Look at you. You are like a cockroach thinking so highly of yourself. As if you could stand in a battle. But you know what? I will destroy you without even breaking a sweat.
You see you, you will confess all your atrocities to everyone here today, you.
Will you shut up? Do you realize you're talking to a king?
Mother, please, allow me to handle this. We are going to do it this way. I will kill you and that boy. I will kill you before my elders so they will know the kind of stuff their king is made of. An execution is about to happen.
This man here, your so-called king, is a murderer. Today you will confess to all of them here how you killed your wives, Queen Uju, Queen Atugo, and Queen Ola.
Silence! Have you gone mad? Do you know you are simply blaspheming? Mere words without proof. You do not have any proof. You need to bring before us evidences that you have, or you will be beheaded right now. I need you to show us the evidences of what she's saying. You have 10 seconds to do that, or I will behead you here and now. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, you just made a fool of yourself. Now what stops me from beheading you? If I decide to be.
It's true, everyone. It's true. The king here is a murderer. He's responsible for the deaths of the previous queens. Yes, it's true. I'm a living witness. He tried killing me as well. He's a killer, a murderer. He is.
This is just another fool. I mean, those fools that.
Son, please.
You mad?
It's okay.
Mother, please. Please. Push me. I beg you. Don't push me. Guards!
Yes, my king.
Go in there and bring that boy here right now.
Yeah, it is, my king.
Kneel down. You are lucky. I'm in the best mood. You're very, very lucky. Now I want to take this boy out of this place. And I don't ever want to see you in my compound, let alone my gates. The next time I see you face to face, I am going to do something that you will regret all your life. Get out! You mad? I'll confess. I'll confess. I'll confess. Yes. Yes. I killed my wife. Yes. I steal life out of them because I want to protect myself. Because of protection. I want to protect myself from my enemies. And also for immortality. I took away their lives back just to add to mine, so I can rule this kingdom for as long as I can. Their bodies were buried far from this palace. Far from this palace.
Richard, so you did all this. You're very wicked and heartless. You're not worthy to be the king of this kingdom. I'm very ashamed of you.
Exactly. You must be stripped of your sovereignty and the throne handed over to a more befitting king. Man. No. I'm sorry, my elders. Please, forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me.
I also have a confession to make. My late maid, Urena, have a son for my late husband, the king.
Well, the child died alongside with the maid?
No. He didn't. He's right here in our midst.
So, who is this? What? A boy?
Huh?
What?
No.
How is that true? I killed the mother, but I kept my eyes on him while growing with Oji the gasket maker, Chika's father. My elders, I am sorry. I am sorry, please forgive me. Boy, please forgive me. It was the devil. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
My eyes are seen.
Hey!
I am outlancing.
My elders, I'm sorry. It was just a mistake. Boy, please forgive me.
This is a hefty pill for us to take in a day. Elders.
Oh no.
I think we have to adjourn this sitting and reconvene some other time.
Okay.
Another watching Tinosugo.
Where you there all this while when all the drama they happen?
I was trapped by Richard. He got me all this while, but I'm free now.
Now what for this Richard though? But I'm happy you are free now.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're really a nice person, just that you can be crazy at times.
Everybody knows how they're crazy now. They don't see I'm nowhere. So what's up with the funeral arrangements?
A boy will let you know the one I picked. I'll see you the other side.
For one to show love for his people, breaking barriers, all those.
My son.
Hello.
I know this will be very difficult for you to comprehend. But sit down. Sit. You see, my son, it is very shocking to us as it is to you.
Yeah.
You see, we have been convinced beyond every reasonable doubt that you are the lost son of King Ozo, the predecessor of Richard. But as it stands, our kingdom cannot stay vulnerable without a king. So my son, you have to accept your birthright.
Yes. Oh no, I'm a nobody. I'm just a casket seller. How do I rule these people? What do I tell them? This is a great task, more than me holding the mantle of this kingdom.
That's where wisdom comes in, my son. You know, what I believe in is wisdom and the plans of the gods. You know, the gods have kept you alive, guided you through all the journey of life. Till this moment, they believe that you are ready to take up the mantle, to take up what belongs to you. You know, the gods, they got your back. They love you. So I would advise you, my son, believe in them and you will have nothing to worry about. We know power comes with great responsibility. And that's why you are scared. But don't worry, you are not alone. Oh, no.
You can never be alone. See, my son, we the elders are promising to be behind you.
Yes.
We will support you in your thoughts, actions, anything you want to do. See, let me shock you. Don't you realize that age is just a number?
Yes.
Wisdom coming from the gods.
Exactly.
Huh? See, the gods who has made that position for you will bless you with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to carry on this kingdom. Okay? And moreover, you have also to learn from mistakes Richard made. Huh?
Big madam.
Big madam, I think this is a big mistake. Oh. I can't even run a business of my own. Talk more of to run a big community like this.
When you enter shop, make you begin find customers. Since stuff I know they tire you. Something where you go accept with your full chest. You here they deliberate on them. You don't chop this evening.
I never chop.
Oh, because food no dey the palace, abi? Now who chop belle food they reason well. Anyway, thing go sup, you go enter that palace. Say they made a knack you better pounded yam with insala soup. Then you go chill them down with better wine. When you don't eat finish, you go begin reason well to know whether you go accept the throne or not.
You go follow me go now.
Before uncle, that's you they talk small. I dey dressed already. More they go. Make I lock my shop first.
Make we lock our shop.
I bring you your gift, oh.
My madam, I accept this gift with an open heart.
Hey!
Gas.
Yes, my king.
Take this inside later.
Yes, my king.
Music!
Sometimes what we have in mind may not come the same way. May not be about what you've got, but about destiny.